y'all, thanks for joining me. Real quick, this video is a follow-up to the other video that I did today. So if you haven't watched that one yet, you may want to go watch that one first. Second, I am so excited because I think I finally figured out what my issue was trying to get my videos into my video editing program. So I'm really hoping that I don't have any more problems with that. Alright, so as far as everything with this, if you recall, 2 videos ago I did these coasters because I wanted to test the base coat, and I was really surprised at the fact that the ones that I had mixed up the way I normally mix up my base coat didn't eat the paints like what I've been having happen with a lot of my paintings. And I mean, they have more cells than the ones that were mixed up like my regular paints were. But so then earlier today I posted a video where I tried one other one using paint that I already had mixed up, which was in this bottle. So this paint is the exact same paint. It is the titanium white by Master's Touch. And so I was really surprised by the results that I got, because I really did think that when I mix these up that I was going to have a lot more of the webbing like I usually do. So here's the dried results of the ones that I did earlier. It has a lot of the webbing. It shrunk back just like I thought that this one was going to do. This has the exact same paints and everything, but you can see the results. And this is what I was expecting this one to look like. And I was just really surprised that it didn't, and I couldn't figure out, okay, why did this one when it's the exact same paint? So then I was looking at my bottles, and even though they are the exact same paint, titanium white, Master's Touch, 16.9 fluid ounces, this one had a price of $12.99 on it. This one had a price of $16.99 on it. This is the one that I have mixed up in that bottle. And then I finally noticed the date on it, and it says 2019. So then I looked at this one, and the date on it is 2021. And so I have a feeling that they changed the formula sometime between the 2019 one and the 2021. So today I made a phone call. I called Hobby Lobby and talked to a guy there and asked him if they changed the formula, because I told him that I have a YouTube channel and that I was doing some tests for my viewers, and that's the only thing that I could think of that might have caused the difference. He told me that he wasn't sure, and so he was going to do some checking on that and find out who he needed to talk to find that out for sure. So as soon as I find out anything from them, I will let you know, because I do know that when I would be watching some other artists, I know Canela Sirocco, I think there was some others that said when they were using Artist's Loft that after a certain year they started having problems because the formula was changed. And so I'm just thinking maybe the formula has changed on these. And if so, the new bottle, if I mix it up the same way that I was mixing up the old bottle, should give me results more like this as opposed to this. So I wanted to let you know that, because if you're having similar issues, it may be the year of the bottle that you're using. But like I said, I will follow up with you and let you know as soon as I find out from them if that is the case. So anyway, that's all I have for now. I just wanted to give you that quick update. So I hope you have a great night, a great day, whatever it is for you. I'll talk to you later. God bless. Bye.